Hey, I'm Olivia, and today on Smart Money Hub, we're going to talk about something most people get completely wrong. And it might be the reason you're staying broke even while trying to look successful. Because here's a hard truth nobody tells you clearly. The moment you start trying to look rich, you often stop building real wealth. And I want you to think about this carefully. How many people do you know who always look expensive, but are constantly stressed about money? Credit card bills, loans, paycheck to paycheck lifestyle. But on Instagram, perfect life. Luxury outfits, expensive dinners, latest phone, designer vibes. So let me ask you something straight. What are you actually building? Wealth? Or just an illusion? Because the real rich people, they don't look rich all the time. In fact, most of them look extremely normal. Now, before we go deeper, if you're someone who wants to learn how money actually works in real life, not the fake social media version, then hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Money Hub right now. This channel is all about real financial mindset, real habits, and real strategies that actually change your life, not just your appearance. And trust me, what I'm about to share with you today can shift your entire money mindset. Let's go deeper. Most people think looking rich means you are winning in life. So they start copying what they see. Expensive clothes, flashy lifestyle, constant upgrades, showing off everything they buy. But what they don't realize is wealthy people think completely differently. Wealth is built quietly, not loudly. Think about this. A person who is actually building wealth is usually focused on investing, saving, building assets, starting businesses, or growing skills. But a person trying to look rich is focused on impressions. And impressions cost money, a lot of money. And here's the trap. The more you try to maintain an image, the more money you need just to keep that image alive. So you don't move forward financially. You just keep running in place. Now let me break it down simply. If you earn $3,000 a month and spend $2,800 trying to look successful, you are not building anything. But someone else earning the same amount, living simple, saving and investing even $500 a month, slowly becomes financially free. Same income. Completely different future. That's the difference between looking rich and becoming wealthy. And I know what you might be thinking. But Olivia, people will judge me if I don't look successful. Let me be very honest with you. People will judge you either way. If you look rich, they will still talk. If you stay simple, they will still talk. So why are you letting people who are not paying your bills control your financial decisions? It doesn't make sense when you say it out loud, right? Now let's talk about something even more important. Discipline. Wealthy people delay pleasure. That means they are okay not showing off today so they can enjoy freedom later. While others enjoy small status today and sacrifice their entire future. And I want you to really imagine two versions of your life. In one version, you spend the next 5 years building quietly. You avoid unnecessary lifestyle pressure. You invest, you learn skills, you grow income sources. Life looks normal, maybe even boring to others. But in the second version, you keep upgrading your lifestyle every time you earn more. New phone, new clothes, better car, expensive habits. And somehow you still feel broke every month. Which one actually leads to freedom? Now here's something people rarely talk about. Fake success stress. When you try to look rich but you are not actually financially strong, your entire life becomes stressful. You are constantly thinking about maintaining image. You can't relax. You can't slow down. And because everything depends on keeping up appearances. But when you stop trying to impress people, something powerful happens. Your mind becomes free. You start thinking clearly. You make better money decisions. You stop wasting energy on unnecessary things. And slowly, real wealth starts building. This is where the mindset shift happens. On Smart Money Hub, we always say this. Your financial life is not built in one big moment. It's built in small daily decisions. Every time you choose saving over showing off, investing over impressing, learning over flexing, you are moving closer to freedom. And I want you to be honest with yourself right now. How many of your recent purchases were actually needed? And how many were just for image? Don't answer for anyone else. Just be real with yourself, because awareness is the first step. Now, I'm not saying you should live poorly or stop enjoying life. That's not the message here. The message is balance. Enjoy your life, yes. But don't sacrifice your future for temporary attention, because attention doesn't last, but financial freedom does. Real wealth gives you options. Fake wealth only gives you pressure. When you are truly financially stable, you can choose your lifestyle freely. You can travel, invest, relax, help others, start projects. But when you are stuck in image-based living, you don't have choices. You have obligations. You have to maintain the image, even if it hurts you. Now imagine breaking free from that. Imagine waking up without financial stress. No pressure to impress anyone. No need to compete with people online. Just steady growth, peace of mind, control over your time. That's real success. And it starts with one decision. Stop looking rich, start becoming wealthy. Because wealthy people are not trying to look like anything. They are too busy building something real. If this message made sense to you, comment below and tell me honestly. Are you more focused on looking rich or becoming wealthy right now? Share this video with someone who needs this reality check. And don't forget to subscribe to Smart Money Hub, because we talk about real mindset shifts like this every day. Remember, stop looking rich and start building the life that actually makes you free.